So this is live price prediction of Wincoin and very urgent and latest update for all of you, my friend. So this time the Wink is completely moving up, but definitely, my friend, and the previous 24-hour, my friend, they completely fails down, minus 3.73% they fails down. So I think this is very bad falls, and what's going up in upcoming days, they moving up or they fails down. What we do, sell, hold or buy. This time you can see here they again fails down, but definitely, my friend, after a great jump they fail. Also every cryptocurrency, my friend, fails down. So I tell you in this video to what's the reason they fell down in those days and what we do in this critical situation. So everything is gone very special in this video. Please, before I start this video, I request you to subscribe ABS Tech channel for latest news and update. Thank you so much for subscribing ABS Tech channel. Okay, come to the point. This time, if you can see here, my friend, the Wink is completely and a previous day, my friend. Let's check out first of all the chart. Okay, this time you can see here they take a very high jumps. Can you see here? This time they take a very high jumps. They go up like a rocket. Definitely, you can see here this time they go like a rocket, and I think the reason of that jumps as the end of month. At the end of month, every cryptocurrency is moving up like a rocket. So especially in the last day of April, is every cryptocurrency is moving up, especially Winklink coin, Dogecoin, and one more, yeah, Storm X is also moving up. So therefore, definitely, my friends, Wink is one of the fastest coin, and they also go up like a rocket. But definitely, after these two jumps, my friend, after these two jumps, the first day of May, my friend, they starting moving fails now, and the reason is that to people starting selling. If people starting selling, then exactly every cryptocurrency is very badly fails down. So therefore, definitely, my friends, this time, and you can see here they also fails down after a big jump. My friend, you can see here this time the resistance line they hit it now, and if the resistance line they hit it now, so therefore every cryptocurrency is a negative and they cannot give you a profit. They are completely fails down and they are in the loss. So therefore, I think the result is also like this. They cross the resistance line and they fails down, my friend. So if you can see here this time the current, the latest live chart, if you can see here after a jump they fails down, and after this, they take a short jump and short fail. Not a big jump, not a big fall, but definitely, if you can see here after a very big fall, my friend, after a very small jump, my friend, they take again fails down. You can see here if we check out this circulation exactly, my friend, if they're moving like that, then I hope, my friend, in upcoming days they're starting moving up. You can see here this circulation, you can see here this circulation, but after that you can see here they take again very short jump. So absolutely, my friend, you can see here the direction is like that. They cannot take this type jump, my friend, but let's see after that, my friend, they fails down, and you can see here definitely, you can, oh my goodness, you can see here this time they again jumping start now. So I think yes, oh my goodness, can you believe this jump? What a shot, man, what a shot. Wink is going up. If people starting buying and investing, then exactly every coin is moving up like a rocket. But this time you can see here that the Winklink price is especially very badly lost. You can see here this time the Winklink price is 0.00132 US dollar, and especially the reason is that, my friends, today fails down to now. This is the start of month and everyone starting selling for a short profit, my friend. The short, especially short investor, my friend, who invest for a short time, he's starting selling at the end of month. So therefore, definitely they fails down. But who is a long investor, he cannot sell it for a share in this end of month. He sell it for a long, he hold it for a long time, like me exactly, my friend. I have no plan before 2022 to I sell it. So definitely in 2022 I sell this. Absolutely, they make me millionaire, they give me very good profit. So please, Wink holder, if you are a holder, then please don't sell it. Hold it and wait for a good time. I hope this time you can see here they take again jump. After a fails, they also take a jump. But definitely the first week is going very bad, my friend, for all coin. So definitely don't sell it, hold it and wait for a good time. I hope in upcoming in the next week of this month, my friend, they're starting moving up like a rocket and they go in the moon. But please, you wait just 1 week. I hope they're going up like a rocket. So let's check out, my friend, the last details, and after that, my friend, we finish this video. This time, if you can see here, my friend, the last 24 hours, 3.36% they fails down. And if we check out more status, my friend, let's check out the more status. This time the market cap is also fails down, 3.36% fails down. And fully diluted market cap is also, my friend, 3.39% fails down. Volume, if you check out, 28.06% they fails down. So this is the reason to people starting selling. Volume market cap, you can see here 0.3794, and circulating supply is this time, you can see here 313,607,5713 billion, my friend. What a great. Okay, max supply, total supply, you can see here everything is going in negative. This is the reason I already explained you, my friend. So this is the start of month, and every cryptocurrencies is fails down in those days. So hope you enjoy this video. Please like this video. Wing holder, please keep touch with us. Subscribe this channel for latest news and update. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz. Take care.